I am trying to find out. I have Cricket phone service, and for the last 3 weeks, I've been calling Nigeria because I have an international plan on my Cricket account, and it's always a failed call or the line is constantly busy. And when I call the person that I'm talking through another phone service, they tell me, no, my phone isn't busy. I haven't been on the phone. If you have Cricket phone service and you call internationally and call to Nigeria, I would like to know if you are experiencing what I am experiencing, because they say that Nigeria is restricting phone calls. I want to know if that's just what they're saying to me, which might be untrue, or maybe they just restricted me. I don't know. But let me know by inboxing me, and I would really appreciate it if you have Cricket phone service and you calling over there and you have problems. I would like to know. Inbox me if you're having the problems. I would appreciate it. Thank you so much.